Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got us a nice electric Smith Corona portable from the 1970s era. This is a Electra 120. They made a lot of different electric versions, including they let Sears put their name on a lot of these machines, but they're really all the same machine. The same inside of here. If you look in here, you'll recognize the basket and the card guide and everything. It's all about the same as the manual typewriter and the electric typewriter. This is an excellent machine, very proven. It's got the same mechanics underneath as the manual version, all the way from back in the 50s through the 60s to the 70s, but they were able to incorporate a motor into this. But the escapement, basket, shift, ribbon drive, all this mechanism is the same as their manual version. Very proven design. This one's got all the cams up here for your electric portion of the machine, so you can fire off these keys and they give you power assist. Besides that, it's like a manual typewriter, but it's electric. Best of both worlds. If you have some power over here, the plug, you can make this thing really move. And these are very responsive typewriters. And they can be rebuilt to work like new. They're pretty reliable as is. Very, very fast. You can barely slow this machine down. It's so fast. Let's run our finger right across here. Fast, fast, fast. That's what we like. Very responsive. As soon as you touch these keys, you got action. Oops. Jam the keys. It can still do that. But just wanted to highlight our favorite machines. Electric machines. This version has a manual return. They come in both electric return or manual return. Margins are simple up here. Just slide them around. Couldn't get any simpler. Everything is in the standard position. This has all the features you could want on a typewriter. So, we consider this the ultimate electric typewriter. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.